Hello everyone, today we're gonna go through how to install this new app, just called lovealert app. So here is the app. You can get it by going to website lovealert.app, and it's finally available on iPhone, on iOS. So yeah, just go to website, tap on this icon, or just search lovealert in App Store. As you can see, it's pretty high in charts right now. And then you can just use your Touch ID or Face ID. And that's about it. So here is a screenshot. And that after that it just installed, so you can just tap open. Okay. Then you need to wait probably. And that's about it. And after that you will be able to create an account. Thank you.